And tonight, a Banks family is in need of help as they look to replace their home that was destroyed in the weekend tornado. A GoFundMe page has been created for Chris Allen, who was injured in the tornado, and it destroyed his home. Allen was sleeping inside of his trailer at the time of the storm. The storm picked up his trailer off the concrete blocks, pushing it to the middle of Highway 29. He woke up on the ground with injuries to his head and hand and with multiple cuts and bruises. Along with his trailer crushed, his car was damaged as well, and he could use help getting back on his feet.
Just trying to get him clothes, shoes, hygiene products, and then of course eventually trying to find him another home. He's got to have somewhere to live. He lost everything. He has no car. He lost his vehicle as well. So yeah, we're just gonna have to start from scratch.
Now the link to his GoFundMe page will be found on our website later tonight.